Hey guys, it is me, and today I'm here with my boyfriend. Where is he? Where the hell is he? Okay, maybe he left, but it's fine, guys. Oh, Dragon Slayer is my boyfriend. So here in the game, he asked me to be my boyfriend, girlfriend, but it's true. I'm not even single. Where is my boyfriend? Ah! Oh my god, he scared me. Ah! Oh no, is it? Okay guys, but it's fine, cause what the hell? What the hell? Alex, Josh. Okay, let's go to the cinema. Let's go. Let's watch some movies. What? Where is he? Okay, let me type 2 Dragon Slayer. Slayer 2 here. 2189. 2189. Where are you? Where are you? Where is he? Oh my god, I think he's cheating on me. I think he's really cheating on me. Dude, where is he? Oh, come on, guys. So, guys, welcome back to my channel, and, never mind about him. At the what center? At the what center? Okay. Adoption center? I'm here. Okay, what the hell? Is he really? Oh, okay. Hey, BB. Why is we have to call him BB? I don't know why we have to call him BB. Oh my god, there's a little cute girl here. Guys, follow me. Okay. This is my boyfriend. So this is my boyfriend. He's right here. It's this guy. Yeah, babe.
Ikaw ba siya? Something I hear. Record the sound of it.
Okay.
Very nice record, no?
That's our family, dude. So yeah, what's this place? Okay. Where's my house? Guys, I don't know where's my house. Wow, this is a nice house. But you're beautiful. Maybe. That's a nice house. You should get that house. That one right there, guys. That one. That one right there. So guys, we're going. So, oh my god, wait for me! Wait for me, baby. Even in real life, you have to call me baby. Oh my god. What is this place? Okay, thanks. I'm a mom. Yes. Yeah! Oh my god, oh my god. It's raining, guys. It's raining. Oh god. Let's go camping. Let's go, kids. Let's go, kids. There. Let's go, kids. Let's go. Okay, there's only one son that has a name. You two girls doesn't have a name. What the hell? Okay, baby, let's go. Let's go. I'm recording, guys. I'm gonna tell him. I am out, but let's hike. Ray, Isa, come. Okay, guys, sorry, it's raining. I'm screaming. I'm wrecked. I'm wrecked. I have YouTube. I have YouTube. Yeah, I have YouTube, dude. I have YouTube. I have YouTube. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yes. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on. Kids, what? Where's your sister? Where's your sister? Where's your sister? Oh my god, guys, where's your sister? Where's your sister, guys? Kids, where's your... Oh. Isa, come on. Come on, Isa. Oh. Hold on. So what are you doing? Maybe... Oh! He told me in real life you have to do this, you have to be overdoing. Stay, okay? Stay. Stay! What the hell? You love my dad? You love your dad? Aww. He's so cute. It's okay if you love your dad, because they're... Oh! He's so cute.
Pizza!
He's so cute. You put question marks. Ah! Get out! Get out!
Pizza!
Get out! Oh my god! You scared the heck out of me! What the hell? Get out of my kids! These are my kids! Get out! Get out! Get out! Okay, Kate Morgan. No. No way. Is she Kate Morgan the ghost? Just kidding. Okay, so let's eat pizza! Pizza!
Pizza!
Pizza! Haha, let's eat pizza! Woo! Guys, I'm having fun in here! So let's get in here. Guys, is this quiet, guys? Ah! Don't go! Where are you guys going? I'm gonna where Isa, where's your brother? James, come on. Come on, James. Ray. Okay, good. So I'm gonna sit. Woo, we're gonna go camping. We're gonna go camping. We're here at camping, guys. I love camping. So, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys. Bye.